Listen up, brother. You got two hands, don't you? Then keep them to yourself. If you're angry, walk away. If you're frustrated, take a breath. And if you want to put your hands on something, get up, get up. You come home mad, got fire in your eyes, but that woman standing there ain't the one you need to fight. She ain't your punching bag. She ain't your enemy. She's somebody's daughter, somebody's mother, somebody's baby. So when that anger starts rising and you feel like losing control, put your hands in your pockets, brother, and remember what you were told. Keep your hands off her. Bad boy. Keep your hands off her. Bad woman. Don't hit that woman. Bad woman. No! Don't hurt that woman. Never raise your hand. Back, jab, right. If you wanna hit something, throw that woman. If you wanna hit something, hit that time clock on. The one. If you wanna hit something, throw that work on in. If you wanna put your hands on something, put them on that job. Wanna put your hands on something, put them on that job. Wanna put your hands on something, because a woman is a gift. Treat her like she's rare, because a woman is a gift. Show her love and care. A real man don't have to prove how strong he can be. Real strength is knowing when to walk away and leave. You can be 6'5", you can be built like a wall, but if you raise your hand to her, brother, you ain't strong at all. Strength is patience. Strength is patience. Strength is self-control. Strength is self-control. Strength is protecting the heart you're supposed to hold. That's right. You don't break what you love. No. You protect what you love. Yes. When you're angry, walk away. When you're heated, walk away. When you feel like swinging, walk away. Go get your paycheck. Hit that time clock. Go work. Go sweat, stack. Go provide. Go back. Like approach to brother. Get your hands over. Don't hit that woman. Hands over. Don't hit that woman. Hands over. She's a big brother. Hands over. She's a sister. Hands over. She's a daughter, wife. Hands over. She's a mother. She's a sister. Hands over. Put her brushes right. Hands over. Treat her with dignity. Treat her with dignity. Keep her spirit safe. Treat her with dignity. Keep her spirit safe. Treat her with dignity. Because every woman deserves to feel safe at home. Because every bigot deserves to feel safe at home. If you wanna hit something, hit that time clock, man. If you wanna hit something, hit that time clock, man. If you wanna fight something, fight for your family. Show you're a man. Show self-control and care. Cause a real man doesn't beat her. A real man stands beside. A real man doesn't beat her. He stands by her side.